Welcome to week 5. You're about a third of the way through the semester, so congratulations for that. This week we will be working on chapter 4 of the Curious Researcher. You have a journal and then 2 discussions this week. So before you panic and also have a rough draft, let me just explain the assignments because it shouldn't be too terribly challenging to complete all of these. So your journals and your journal and your discussions all come from the Curious Researcher. So part of your reading actually includes these assignments, so you can do them as you're doing your reading, which is what I recommend. So you're going to complete this journal for finding the significance. You're going to do exercise 4.1 in the Curious Researcher. You're going to complete both steps 1 and 2, but you're going to submit a scan of step 2 if you type it, or you could just type up step 2. So these should be pretty self-explanatory as you read the textbook. I think Bruce does an excellent job explaining things. He was actually one of my instructors. I haven't mentioned that yet, and I absolutely adore him. He's awesome. So if you have any questions on the assignments, please let me know, but these should be pretty self-explanatory once you read through the instructions. Your first discussion is on sharpening your thesis. So you're going to go through exercise 4.2 and write a paragraph to remind readers of your topic, question, and current understanding of your thesis. So your initial post is due by Thursday, and then your responses are going to be due by Saturday. I'm only having you respond to at least one other student. You're welcome to respond to more than one, but one is required, and that should be done by Saturday. The second discussion is the Finding a Lead discussion forum. So again, you're going to complete an exercise in the Curious Researcher, exercise 4.3. And again, you only need to do step 1 for your initial post, and then you should be responding to other students, at least one, by Saturday. And then you're going to submit your exploratory research essay first draft. So we're going to do this in a group blog. So I've assigned everyone groups. There's 24 students in the class, and I have 4 groups, so there's 6 blogs. So you're going to do peer review there. So for right now, I just want you to post your draft on Friday at midnight. The explanation for the response will open. But I want you to post your first draft and write a little bit about what you're most concerned about in your draft. So in week 6, again, you're going to start on the peer review. So your first draft needs to be posted by Monday. So I'm posting it here so you start writing it, so you're not waiting until Sunday night to actually write your first draft. And then I just want to show you how you would actually post it. So under My Groups here in the left sidebar, whichever group you're in will show up here in the peer review group. So I'm just going to go to peer review groups 1. And then you're going to click on group blog. And then you just need to click create blog entry and just put in, I would put your last name and then put like unit 1 draft. That would make it easier, so as you submit your draft for further blogs, it will make more sense. And then you can just go in and you can actually attach your file by clicking here and browsing your computer for the document, which is what I recommend. It's easier for people to read these longer assignments in an actual document, and then just click submit or post entry when you're done. And if you get stuck or you have any questions on that, please let me know. So this concludes our week 5 screencast. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great week.